Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Intuita espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because only water was coming out from this side but nothing through here. And that was because this water pump from 2013 was no longer able to push water through the entire system, through the brew unit and then to the spouts. So we had to replace this little guy and that's what we did. We also cleaned a bit the spouts as well because there was a little bit of coffee buildup in there, but that's all we did in this espresso machine. So starting with one espresso shot, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. We're grinding at the medium setting and we are using our taste coffee. As you can see, nice steady flow coming out of the spouts, excellent color, good crema on top of that espresso shot as well. Bear in mind we're using our test coffee, which is all coffee. But even so, with that all coffee, we were still able to get a nice shot of espresso. Steady stream and good crema. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. The machine needs to get up temperature, but once it does, the water comes out automatically through the one, as you can see right there. The stream coming out through the one. Good stream coming out through the hot water one. Now we're gonna test the steamer. Now we water on the tank. Let's test the steamer. As you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the machine, excellent pressure, and really good temperature coming out of the machine. Working excellent. So there you have it, Saeco Intuita working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.